Everyone wants financial freedom in one way or another. People work hard all of their lives to achieve financial independence and enjoy an early retirement. That's why today, we have got some really interesting tips for you. Number 1. Underlining your current objective. Financial freedom is the name of paying your own expenses without the need to work for it, and it is the pinnacle of financial stability in one's life. It's good to set certain boundaries and have a clear objective in mind. What are you going to do in the near future? Spending less than the amount you earn is the most efficient way of saving money. Your objective should consist of the short as well as long-term financial planning. In short-term planning, you should devise methods to take on your weekly or even monthly expenses. It's better to write them down so you can remember them well. With respect to long-term planning, you should first consider that where you see yourself in the upcoming year with the amount of effort that you are putting in at the moment. If you are heading in the right direction, then it's good to go. Otherwise, you might have to reflect on some of the aspects and then work accordingly. Number 2. Knowing your current financial position. It is good to put your shoulders on a wheel in order to gain financial freedom. But without knowing your current financial position, you won't go anywhere. The thing with it is that you have to know: what do you own? What are your debts, and how much amount of income you are generating? Asking yourself these questions might help you in having a clear idea of what you want to work on. Sometimes people don't take such things seriously, and as soon as they realize that, they are stuck in an unwanted loop of paying debts and managing household expenses. The situation has become far worse. In such cases, consulting a professional might be the best possible option for them. That's why, not to take things this far, you have to act responsible for every decision so that you don't regret it later. Number 3. Trace your expenses. True wisdom is the knowledge gained from experience. In terms of financial planning, one must learn to know how to save. In order to do this, you first have to know, where do you spend your money? What are your average billing expenses, commuting expenses, and installments of the debt owed to a party? All of this has to be considered while trying to save money for a better and secure future. This can be done by observing your spending over the period of 1 month. This will help you in managing your income, and then you would be able to save some cash accordingly. Number 4. Cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Cutting down expenses don't necessarily mean that you have to adapt to a frugal lifestyle. It just means that you have to review your income before spending on things that you truly need or not. Buying unbranded and less costly clothes may make you look uncool in front of your friend circle, but it will help you in saving money and spending it where you need it the most. Also, it will surely benefit you in the long run. Similarly, buying a less expensive car in order to save money to pay off debts on time is more efficient than buying a luxury car with no money left to deal with other expenses. Also, moving to a place, city or town, where it's easier to manage your daily household expenses and where it reduces your commuting expenses will prove to be budget-friendly than living in a posh area where daily household necessities are unusually expensive. These sorts of things can help you achieve your eventual objective of lifelong financial freedom and independence. Number 5. Considering future career options. We must look for jobs that are providing greater financial and health benefits to us in the long run. However, unfortunately, in the normal social structure, we treat jobs as a way to earn some money, but it's actually more than that. A good job will surely help you in achieving financial freedom in the form of retirement funds, allotted land, given a house by the company after retirement, or even guarantee a vacancy for one of your offspring. While looking for a job, you also do have to look for the services it provides on a larger scale, its market demand, and the overall impact of it on the financial market. Only then you can settle on a job and take the first step in your journey of financial freedom. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching it till the end. We hope you would like it. If you think that we have missed something, then make sure to list them down below in the comments section. We would be more than pleased to read them.